Howdy, it's Linda from Veggieoutlaws, and today we're making carrot lox. So hop on board and let's get cooking. One sprig of dill that we're going to roughly chop, and then we place it in a cheesecloth or tea bag. Take a large carrot that we've cleaned, remove the end, and peel into strips, create ribbons. Makes about 4 cups. We're now going to place these and add them to a pot. Cover this with water. Cover with a lid. Then we're going to bring it to a boil. In a large bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 tablespoon of Bragg seasoning, 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 2 teaspoons of flax oil, 1.5 teaspoons of minced dill, a spoon of capers with juice, 1/2 teaspoon of liquid smoke, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and 1/4 teaspoon salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of crumbled nori. Using a fork, mix it together and set aside. Bring the carrots to a boil. Once the carrots have come to a boil and cooked for a couple of minutes until they're soft but not mushy, I'm going to use tongs, put them in an ice bath to stop the cooking. Let them sit in the ice bath for a few minutes till they cool down. Once cool to the touch, we're going to drain the water. Then we're going to take them and spread them on a clean towel just to remove excess water. Using the towel, we're going to dry them off. Then we're going to take our marinade mixture. We're going to add in our dried carrots. Using our tongs, we're going to mix them into the marinade. We're going to let them marinate for a couple of hours, giving them a toss every half an hour or so, just to let the flavor really soak in. Cover them and let them sit. If you like what we made today, just stir up that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes.